Our Bosch dishwasher has started beeping during cleaning cycle. We have cleaned the filters, strainers, discharge hose with no results. This began after replacing our old garbage disposal. Yes, the plug was removed from the dishwasher inlet fitting in the garbage disposal. It will complete the cleaning cycle with no problems, just the beeping, which occurs when the pump is running. Please advise. Thanking you in advance.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. So this dishwasher is really not designed to beep when there is an error, even if there was a problem. In fact, if there was an issue, the most that you'd ever notice aside from a performance in how well the dish is clean, is that the cycle might never finish and continue to run forever. If it's beeping in the middle of a cycle, this is not a problem with the unit draining, this is a problem with the control board itself. There is a control board inside the door in the upper right-hand corner that you need to replace. You can try to turn the circuit breaker off for 60 seconds to see if the electronics will reset, but if that doesn't work, you'll need to order and replace the control board. Please remember that when you are asked to give a rating, you are rating my service and not this website itself or the problem of your appliance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.